Hello and welcome to my reality Jeep life with me, the Vermont Jeep Girl, and this is my daily vlog of 2013. Hey, the sun's out again, but boy, it is chilly. It's about 12 degrees out here today. Yeah, and guess what else? We're in a winter storm warning for tonight through Wednesday. Not really totally looking forward to that since the first day of spring is supposed to be Wednesday, correct? Live in the Northeast, things change. At any rate, the tub here don't look like a Jeep anymore, does it? She's pretty much stripped down right now. Still have a little bit more prepping before Kman can weld the floor pans in. Now that we're in a winter storm warning and we could possibly get 10 to 14 inches of snow over the next night to Wednesday, we're going to roll the trailer into the garage so the tub don't get filled up with snow and so we can still be working on it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I have to put the oil pan back on my engine, touch up the paint on a couple things. So we got a lot going on today and we're still pounding away at it. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put my oil pan back on. I got a nice coat of paint on it and she's all dry today. And I just opened up the box with the oil pan gasket in it. And what to my surprise? It's blue. This is so cool. It's like a sign from the Jeep gods telling me everything's going to be all right. Okay, got quite a bit done today. Kman sandblasted the floor, as you can see, all around here and the pieces. So now we're ready to weld in the floor pan. Let's see if I can do this here. Which will be tomorrow's project. Because right now what we're going to do is we're going to push this trailer and the tub inside the garage because we're supposed to be getting a big snowstorm tonight. So we got to do that, and then I got to get my little guy to the doctor's. So that's what we're going to do.